Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with FreeAgent Accounting, UK, review my usage experience. FreeAgent Accounting, UK, review my usage experience offers cloud-based accounting software specifically designed for freelancers and small businesses in the UK. Its main purpose is to simplify accounting tasks, from invoicing and expense tracking to reporting and tax preparation. Key features include invoicing, expense tracking, time tracking, and reporting capabilities. Their website provides details on all the features and pricing plans. FreeAgent positions itself as an intuitive and user-friendly solution for those who want to manage their finances without the complexity of traditional accounting software. They emphasize ease of use and transparent pricing. Their website highlights the lack of hidden fees and offers various subscription plans to suit different business needs. The service uses a straightforward, cloud-based approach, accessible from any device with an internet connection. Availability is limited to the UK market. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using FreeAgent Accounting. Getting started was a breeze. The setup process was straightforward, and the onboarding tutorial guided me through the essential steps effectively. Navigating the interface was intuitive. I found it easy to create invoices, categorize expenses, and track my time spent on different projects. I particularly appreciated the automated expense categorization feature, which saved me a considerable amount of time. The system performed reliably. I experienced no significant lags or glitches. I had a quick question about VAT reporting, and their support responded within a day via email, a really helpful response. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, providing a clear overview of my financial situation at a glance. The standout feature for me was definitely the automated reporting functionality, making tax preparation significantly less stressful. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app, forcing me to rely on the desktop version for on-the-go updates. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with FreeAgent. It significantly streamlined my accounting processes, and the time saved is invaluable. That's my overview of FreeAgent Accounting, UK, review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.